Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. So here I'm taking up small conversational topics on which you can have a short conversation with people. You can have the conversation with your friends, with your relatives, with your neighbors, with strangers, colleagues, everybody and anybody and everybody. So these are so useful and simple topics that you can have a short conversation, very quick conversation with people in English. Now what this is going to do, it is going to help you in getting confident in speaking in English. It will be easier for you to practice and speak. Since these are short conversations, you should know what question you have to ask, what topic you have to speak on. That's it. Once the topic is there in your mind, you know how to start your conversation, you are done. You will definitely crack it. You will definitely be able to do it. So you have to prepare a topic or come up with a topic and a question and start speaking to people. So if you start doing this, it will help you to build on your confidence and fluency just because you are able to face the actual situation. You are working in actual situation. You're learning on job, right? You're learning in that situation. So once you start learning in a real life situation or real time situations, it will make you more confident and fluent in speaking in English. Later, when you will have to have conversation with people on any topic, anywhere, with anyone. So this is preparing a ground for you. So that is why I've taken up short conversation topics and I'm telling you about it, what topics you can take up and how you can start your conversation or what you can talk on it. So I'm providing sufficient sample questions, sufficient examples and sufficient topics and situations which you can start working on right now from today. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now let's begin. So guys, today I'm going to talk about some occasions in which you can have a conversation with people in English in a quick way, or it will be a short conversation, it will be a quick conversation. What are the occasions and how you can speak or what you can speak on, I'm going to tell you in this session. Number one, during celebrations or festivals, right? We have a lot of festivals in India. We are really fortunate to have a lot of festivals here in India. So we meet a lot of relatives, friends and everybody during festivals and occasions or celebrations like wedding celebration or anniversary celebration or birthday celebration or housewarming party or an engagement function or festivals, right? So these are the occasions where we meet a lot of people or we go to different places. People come to our places to meet us, right? In these situations, how do we start talking in English or start having a short conversation or a quick conversation in English? The first thing is, whatever the occasion is, we have to greet everybody. So we can greet people in English. Whatever occasion is there, we have to take that occasion and we have to start greeting people accordingly. Hi guys, wishing you a very happy anniversary or wishing a very happy married life. Or wishing a very happy birthday or many happy returns of the day or happy Diwali, happy Holi, Merry Christmas, etc. So we can start greeting people in English. There's no harm, right? You can congratulate people. Congratulations on your anniversary. Congratulations on your wedding. So prepare something sweet, nice to wish people, to greet people. Okay, you can add a line or two also there. Many congratulations guys, wishing a very happy married life ahead. Right? Many happy returns of the day. Wish you all the success and happiness in life. Right? Happy Diwali. May this Diwali brings a lot of brightness and happiness to you and your family. Right? There's no harm in adding a sentence or two. So start preparing greetings. Work on greetings, how you can greet people in different ways. And on these occasions, you just don't meet one people, you meet several people. So you have a bandwidth. You can come up with different greetings, right, for each person, and you can start greeting people. So this is how you will get into the mode of speaking. You will prepare yourself to speak in front of people, just to greet them. Okay, we type messages, we send images, we send GIFs, etc. So why can't we start saying that? Whatever we have read, whatever we have seen, we can just remember that and repeat it with people. Right? Add a line or two and then say that greeting. So this is how you start preparing yourself to speak in English. So first you start greeting people. The second thing what you can do here is you can talk about your celebration. Right? So what are your plans for Diwali? What are you doing? How was your day today? What did you eat? How did you celebrate? Or how is your day going? If you've met somebody in the afternoon, you can say, how is your day going? What are your evening plans? What are your plans for the rest of the day? Whatever, you can ask people about it. Okay, and when you are in a birthday party or a wedding celebration or any other celebration, you can just speak about the celebration, right? Wow, it's so grand. The decoration is beautiful. I love this theme. Everybody is looking so beautiful. I love the bride's dress. Or I love the color which the groom is wearing. The smell of the food is amazing. Let me have a look at the buffet. Okay, you can talk about the food also. So there are lots of things you can talk about. You can talk about the decoration, you can talk about food, you can talk about the dresses or jewelry or how the person is looking, etc. So we can take up any topic and we can talk about it. During festivals also we can talk about how is it going, what are the plans, and of course the dress and the clothing or the accessories or the food we can talk about. There are lots of things to speak about these occasions. We can take up any topic and we can start speaking on it. And it's so easy, guys. It's not difficult at all. We do it in our mother tongue. We talk about it, right? We can also talk about the planning part. How did you come up with the menu? Where did you shop from? When did you decorate the place or house? Right? You can just talk about anything. There are lots of things you can take up, guys. There are lots of topics which are there. And these are very quick conversational topics. You don't have to go on speaking about it. It's just that one question and the person will speak and then you will speak and you can end the conversation. You don't have to take it ahead. Okay, so that is why these topics are very simple, very basic. We can decide the topic on the spot and we can speak about it. We can come up with one sentence, one question, and we can speak to people, different people about different topics. So this is the beauty of quick conversations or short conversations. Get into this, get into the habit of having short conversations or quick conversations or small talks with people. It is absolutely going to help you in the long run. It will help you to build your confidence, fluency, and to face the situation. You will never feel nervous while speaking in English later when you're having a conversation with people. You will be able to continue the conversation later. Okay, another good topic here is you can give compliments, right? Wow, you're looking so beautiful, or your dress is looking so beautiful, right? Where did you get this from, right? Or your accessories are too good, your jewelry is good, or you're looking so handsome, nice tie, right? So in this way you can start complimenting people and start engaging in conversation with them. Everybody loves to be complimented, right? So if you start complimenting them, they will definitely start speaking to you, start engaging with you in conversation. So these are the tricks which you can use to engage people or start having a conversation with people in English during any festival or occasion or celebration. Okay, so next time when you are at a party, start utilizing these tips or small talk topics or short conversational topics to have a conversation with people. Right? Next is, at workplace or offices or outside, we do go outside and meet a lot of other people as well, right? In offices, we have traditional days, we have annual gatherings, etc. Right? There are lots of occasions where, you know, the whole company meets and they start celebrating things, right? So there also you have a lot of opportunity to interact with others whom you don't know also. So you can just start speaking about anything, the dress, the occasion, the games which are there, or the activities which are going on, or the food, anything you can talk about, right? There are lots of music, there will be lots of dance, there will be lots of performances, and there will be lots of games also. At offices also we do, right? Participate in. So we can start having a conversation about it. Something is going on. We can just say, wow, this is so nice. I've never seen this before, right? So in this way, you can start talking about it. If some game is going on, you can say, this is so fun to watch, and I'm sure it will be fun to play as well, right? So there are lots of topics which you can pick up and start talking about, right? In a quick conversation, in a short conversation. So don't be scared, don't get nervous, prepare yourself, come up with a topic, come up with one question and speak. Don't restrict yourself, don't stop yourself. Think about it and speak. If you're prepared, if you have come up with a question, say, shoot, speak. Don't stop yourself, and you will see the magic. It is going to help you a lot, guys. Trust me on this. These are very quick and short conversational topics which will help you in having conversation with people, in engaging in conversation with people, and it will really help you to build your confidence and fluency. And you'll get in the practice or habit of speaking in English or at different places or different situations or occasions. Okay, so that is why I am taking up different situations, topics and occasions to help you to understand where you can have short conversations or small talk conversations or quick conversations with people every single day, to get into the habit or to get into the practice of speaking in English with people, one-on-one or group of people. Anything you can choose. But these are very simple, very easy ways of starting a conversation. And definitely it's going to help you, and you will never fail if you will be prepared. If you start coming up with a question and then you start speaking, you will never fail in these situations. Trust me on this. The last situation is, we also go to job fairs and conferences. We do attend conferences and job fairs. There also we can just go and start speaking about things to people, right? We can talk about our profession, we can talk about upcoming trends in the market or technology, or we can talk about jobs in the market, etc. So at job fairs, we can definitely speak about what kind of jobs are available in the market, what will be the best suitable job for me, and we can start exploring there. Conferences also, we meet people, we can talk about our field, our profession, and different certifications, different courses, and technical trends or technology changes, etc. we can talk about. So there are lots of topics which we can take up at conferences and job fairs and meetings, and we can start discussing about it, right? So we need to be very open, we need to be very alert, we need to grab opportunities, we need to create opportunities for ourselves, right? There's no harm in speaking in English. And this is a very simple way of starting a conversation, guys. Basically, this is a shortcut. So if you start utilizing these platforms, these occasions, these situations to start speaking in English, to start having a conversation in English with people or engaging with others in one-on-one or group conversations, it will be very beneficial for you to gain fluency and confidence at the earliest. The more you speak, the better you get at it. So this is how you will get better at it. And this is how you'll achieve your goal of becoming fluent and confident in speaking in English. Face the situation. Be prepared. Start speaking. And the magic will begin. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.